Hey guys, welcome to Money Mindset and More. And today somebody asked me how you can convert a DBA into an LLC. DBA is doing business as, which can be any name which you are operating your business, and can you convert into an LLC? Uh, Honestly, there is no connection between a DBA and an LLC. DBA is it does not have any legal structure or something like that, so that you don't have to transfer something legally to convert into an LLC. There are certain steps which you can follow to register as a NLC, but that has no link with your DBA whatsoever. There are 9 steps probably I will share which might help you. The first step is to search for the DBA name in your state's treasury or any department which is taking care of new business registration. So let's say your DBA is XYZ, you went to treasurer site and you find XYZ is available, you can register as an LLC. If it is not available, there is no way you can register it. And once it is available and you registered it, then you have to go for getting an EIN number, which is employer identification number. It is nothing but like an SSN for individuals in US. That will make your company register with IRS, and then obviously you can file taxes and other thing based on that EIN number. Once you have that, you can create an operating agreement. You can transfer any, let's say, license or business permits you have under DBA to LLC. You should also open a business account because now it will be a legal structure, so banks will definitely allow you to open a business account, and that's also a crucial step. Then you have to identify key stakeholders whom you have to communicate about these changes. They might be communicating with your DBA without any legal structure and things like that. Now they have to communicate in a different way. So you have to definitely tell your suppliers, for example, or your partners or any stakeholders. You can also close your DBA if you want to. It's not necessary because that is irrelevant. If you own the brand name on DBA, then it's a different thing. But if you don't own the brand name, then it does not matter whether you close it or not. Also, the last step which I will recommend is that you have to update your insurance, business insurance, and any contracts which is on that DBA name. Those are 2 very important steps which you have to do. Otherwise, your insurance claims will not be approved. Your contracts might become void for payments, and supplier can take benefit out of it. So those are also very important step, I would say. While searching for, and this is I would say, pro tip. While searching for your name, you can always search for domain name and social media pages name for your DBA if you are converting into LLC. If you already have it, well and good. If you don't, definitely search for those domain names also, social media pages also, so that it will become very cohesive brand and company structure for everything. It does not matter whether you have a physical store or you are not selling online. It does not matter at all. Trust me, you should have your online and digital presence. If you are a physical business, if you are online business, or you are, let's say, simple consulting business, individual business, or a simple doctor, does not matter. You should have your online presence controlled by yourself, and you can do it better if you have the names which you are using as a DBA. You own all those digital assets for your business. So I classify them as a digital assets. if your business grows, you might encash those names also. So these are the steps, probably 9 steps. I will try to make a video on a tutorial to show you. In future, I'm trying to figure out how to mask certain information which I don't want to share. But I will definitely create one and share very soon. And thanks, and like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.